can't read, you can't learn. If you can't learn, you can't unlock all of the possibilities the world has to offer you.
For millions of children all over the world, young detectives, they're put in the position of trying to solve life's mysteries without a crucial map, basic literacy and life skills. And that's where Room to Read comes in.
An investment in education and an investment in Room to Read will yield the highest returns you've ever seen.
Going once, going twice, paddle 208, it's your bid.
So while you may see me as an author, helping you further the great work that you're already doing, I view you all as a cornerstone, where for once, my voice is not echoed back to me. However, you've amplified it, given it wings to fly.
We launched our work in the US, and this has historically been an international organization just 2 years ago. And we've already worked with more than 24,000 kids in Southwest Florida. And while it's sobering to see here at home, I couldn't be prouder to be part of an organization that can grow and adapt the way Room to Read has.
My day job at the FT since 1989 has enabled me to see inside many hundreds of companies and organizations in Europe, Asia, and the US. I can say for sure that Room to Read is one of the most effective, efficient, and committed operations that I've ever seen.
I'm beyond humbled to be called a change maker. Ever since I was a little girl, I hoped to one day make a difference in the world. So to be able to stand here in a room full of purpose and power is truly a dream come true.
In choosing charity partners, Room to Read is an easy choice.
We all about giving back, so congratulations to Room to Read.